Greetings, people. Greetings. It's a wonderful day. Now today, I'm going to dash in for one topic here. Sort of petty, but if it don't deal with properly, I tell you say something that cause big problems, especially in a family thing, you see me? My question is now. Now, I want to know, is it the mother or the wife sitting in the front seat of the car when the husband drive? Yo, I tell you, the topic is sort of tricky, you know. It's tricky. And it's petty, but it's something that cause a lot of friction in a family. You understand me? Wally. Yo, because mother fi fall out with son, wife fi fall out with husband. Zane, so I'm going to show you my piece tonight. I'm going to show you why. And I still want to hear more here what you think about it. You see me? Alright. When it comes to who fi there in the front of the car, it comes down to respect. Zane, there's not a designated spot in the front of the vehicle when you have mother and wife. Zane, if the mother respect the wife and the wife respect the mother, then who in the front of the car stay in the front of the car? Zane, or who make who driving at the front of the car, driving at the front of the car? Because the point is the car I go. It's not like the front I go and the back I stay, you know. Everywhere I go. Yeah man, I really talk. Because I see videos on social media. Some of them are prank and some of them real. Where you have the mothers are fight it out. Say, yo, I'm if there in front of the car. Me first birth you, or if I never me, she wouldn't there. And the wife I do the same thing. And me, you're the mother now. I'm the wife. You're the mother, but I'm the wife now. I'm the woman in charge now. And listen, them have them points, yes. But as far as me concerned, it sort of petty. Right? Me have a situation, me blessed with a good situation will come up on me. Right? How do you go now? Me go pick up my mother at the airport. Right? Me and my wife go pick her up at the airport. And when we go pick her, no, sorry, we go pick her up. And then my wife step out of the car and say, well, Morgan, you know, that's your mom, let she drive in the front. You understand? And me I say, wow. You understand me? Yeah, if I saw someone they're not coming out. They're not coming out. And me I tell her say that is half a burden for me. And when she do that now, my mother said, no man, stay at the front, man. And she said, no mom, go in the car, man. Go in the car, man. She said, son, you want to have some time with him. Right? It relieve a certain burden off of my chest. If you know, say, that's how my wife do. And on another occasion, me and my mother, I roll go for my wife. I don't remember where she was. I think she was at the salon. And when I pick her up, my mother come out. And I said, no, mom, stay away there, man. You understand? Stay away there. So, in that case, the respect was mutual across the board. And it relieves so much burden upon everybody's part when something like that happens. And sometimes it is much deeper than that. It's not about the car seat, it's about power. Where the wife I show say, yo, I'm me run things now, so me have a talk. And the mother makes you know say, yo, I'm me in charge, I'm the queen of the pack now. Same way. So, even though you married my son, I may still have a last talk. So sometimes it's more than the car seat, it's about power. But them, you see them war now, them no end. There's no ending in sight, because if a car about, you go always have that situation. And when it left from there, so it move on to another thing. Right? So it comes down to a matter of respecting each other. And respect is a word, or it's something where not really use much. It's like we call it now. It's like a convenient respect I go on. Where me want to respect you now, and me don't want to respect you later. You understand me? But respect supposed to be like unconditional. You understand me? So, and come back as me say with the front seat of the car still. You know, it petty and it leads to so much big things in a people life. But at the come down to, as me say, respect. Mother can drive in at the front. Daughter can drive in at the front. I mean, wife can drive in at the front. Where's no problem. And it comes even the husband in the case now. Sometimes put it on strain. But sometimes you can put a little charge in it to make you know, say, watch her. You hear me? Wifey, mommy, it no matter who driving at the front of the car. At one place it a go. So we don't want this be no issue between nobody. As a matter of fact, you can drive in at the back and still comfortable. You understand? Yeah, sometimes you can step in and say that if I saw it a go. See? But, you know, as usual, I want to know nothing about it still, you know. Because as I say, it's a petty matter, but it ticklish, brother. It ticklish. Yeah, man. Over there in the front, I want to know, tell me one thing. Let me know one thing. Again, for the Barz talk here, sir. And the same breath, I have to say, Miss Caris Morgan, my mother, love and respect, big up. Kerry Morgan, love and respect, big up. Respect across the board. Make me know nothing. And I'm out as usual at Dew Creek. Peace.